after doing that whole chambablement. And it all
instead of going down when you apply load, the voltage seems to be climbing. I started with 237 volts and turned on the laptop, turned on the lab power supply, and I'm now at 256 volts. This is totally amazing. Totally amazing. Totally amazing. This experiment certainly deserves further action and replication.